How to fix permanently locked Snapchat. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel Tech Quest. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the steps on how you can fix your permanently locked Snapchat account. I'm going to be guiding you throughout this video. Make sure to watch this video till the end. In order to fix your permanently locked Snapchat, you'll not be able to fix it from the application itself, but you'll have to log in from the web browser. So for that, open up any web browser that is convenient for you. As for this video, I'm going to go with the Google Chrome. As you open up your web browser, on the search box you need to type in fix locked Snapchat account. As you type in, next interface will be directed to the help support link. Now you need to click on the first one, that is help.snapchat. As you click on the link, you'll be directed to the support center, and on this interface you'll be able to see a list of articles stating the method on how you can fix your permanently locked Snapchat. Right at the bottom you have a section where you'll be able to see a list of links. So you can see there are different options such as my account has been permanently locked and many more. You can go through it. If your account has been permanently locked, then click on this option and similarly do the same procedure with the rest of the following option. So after that, you'll be taken to the page. You'll need to go through all of these statements. Once you've gone through it, click on the link that is going here and it's going to take you to the web page. You'll be asked to sign in into your account in order to unlock it. So you need to enter in your user ID or the email address associated with your Snapchat account. So you can see right in between there is an option as unlock my account. As you click on this unlock my account, you'll be asked to answer some question, and once you answer it correctly, and your account will be unlocked. So that was one of the methods on how you can fix permanently locked Snapchat. For instance, let's say that if you're unable to fix your permanently locked Snapchat, then what you need to do is you can submit a report stating that you're unable to unlock your Snapchat account. For that, open up your web browser and then on the search box do the same procedure, that is type in the support link and then you'll be directed to the support center. Once you do that, next page you'll need to select an article or the help category, and once you do that, next interface you'll be asked to submit a request stating that cover why you're unable to unlock your account. So you need to provide in your account information that includes entering your contact information, username, and many other information and many more. So that is how you can fix your permanently locked Snapchat account error on your device. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.